I used to think every toothbrush was basically the same, until I realized my teeth never actually felt fully clean.
Most people brush incorrectly and never realize it.
Every morning felt rushed, and honestly, brushing became just another boring habit.
So I decided to try something different. A smart sonic toothbrush that promised deeper cleaning and a fresher feeling.
The first thing I noticed was how premium it looked for such an affordable price. But the real surprise happened when I turned it on for the first time.
It instantly felt stronger, smoother, and much more effective than my old toothbrush.
The Sonic toothbrush delivers deep cleaning and superior plaque removal, resulting in a brighter whitening effect and gentle gum care compared to manual brushing.
After a few days, brushing stopped feeling like a chore and started feeling like part of a real self-care routine.
I especially liked switching between the different modes, depending on the time of day.
The waterproof design also made it incredibly easy to use and clean every day.
And because it lasts so long on a single charge, it became perfect for travel too.
My teeth genuinely started feeling smoother, cleaner, and fresher throughout the day.
Of course, it's not perfect. The bristles may feel strong for sensitive gums, and I wish it used USB-C charging instead. But overall, for the price, this honestly feels like one of the best affordable sonic toothbrushes I've tried.
If you enjoy honest product reviews and smart gadget discoveries, subscribe for more videos every week.